If YouTube stop recommending your videos to viewers, it means this setting is being turned off in your YouTube Studio app. I'm going to show you how to turn on these settings. What this setting does is that it helps YouTube to recommend all your videos. After carefully going through my channel, I observed that some of these settings were turned off, and when I turned these settings on, I was able to get my videos recommended again. I'm going to use my phone to demonstrate this to you. It's the same interface on your laptop. My phone screen is going to show on one side of this video, so you can just follow along with that. So you go to your Google Chrome web browser, and on your web browser, on the search area, you're going to search for studio.youtube.com. Then you enter that, and what it's going to do is this: it's going to open up the YouTube Studio on your web browser, because we are going to be using desktop mode. Okay? You cannot do this using your YouTube Studio app. That is why we are using the web browser. So when this opens up like this, all you have to do now to enable this web browser, you can go up here. If your own is not enabled yet, these three dots, you just tap on these three dots. Just tap on that three dots, then you will scroll down, and from this option you will see desktop site. Make sure that it is being turned on. Now my own is turned on, so we can continue with this video. If you use your two finger to zoom out your screen like this, just zoom out your screen, you'll be able to see most of the things that are here very well. All right, now you just have to go to customization. From here, you will see customization button there. Just tap on that customization, and it's going to open up like this. And when this customization opens up, you will see different settings here. It is from here that you can change your banner image, you can change your profile picture if you want to do that. But what we are going to be talking about is your home tab. This settings is divided into two. All right, so I'm going to show you everything that you need to know from here. Now you just have to go to your home tab. Here is your home tab. Tap on your home tab, and when you scroll down, from here you will see member recognition. That is for those that membership is already approved on their channel. But if you're a smaller channel and this membership is not approved on your YouTube, then you won't see this particular option. This is the option I'm talking about. This particular option will not be available to you. All right, so don't bother yourself on that. But if you come down here, you will see we have different categories. From here, you can see that we have member recognition, we have for you session, we have videos, we have featured channels. You can feature any of your channels. Then we have popular videos, and we have short videos. Those are the ones that are enabled. I'm going to show you how to add your sessions. Okay, all right. So if on your own channel you can't see some of these things, this is how you can enable them. To enable them, if you use your finger and scroll to the left hand side just like this, you can see at this particular place they said add section. So from here you can add section. So if I tap on add section, what you are going to enable here, if this channel trailer is not available on your own, you just tap on that add section and click select channel trailer. Okay, so I'm going to select this. I'm going to add that. You can see when I tap on that, they will ask me to choose a specific video. So what this channel trailer does is that any new subscriber, any new viewers coming to your channel, they are going to show the person this channel trailer first. Anytime someone comes to your channel first, they are going to see this channel trailer. What this channel trailer does is that it tells people what your channel is all about, what you are talking about. And this is a good way that can make someone to subscribe to your channel, because they will definitely know what your channel is talking about. You are going to choose a specific video here. You can select any interesting video, any good video that you know that people will be interested in from any of among your videos. So from here, let me just pick any video from here to demonstrate this. So I'm going to select one of my video. So when I select this video, you can see that at this place here, channel trailer has been enabled. So what the channel trailer is for people who haven't subscribed. So they are going to show this trailer for people that have not subscribed to your channel. it will help them to understand your channel, and it will make them to subscribe to your channel. So we have added one of the settings, which is the channel trailer. So the next setting we are going to be adding is the, if you tap on the add section again, you will see spotlight for returning subscribers. You are going to add this spotlight, so it will also make you to get views. So if you tap on spotlight, they are going to ask you to select a specific video. You can change any of these videos later. So from this spotlight, I'm going to select a specific video, any video that I want that video to get views. I'm going to select that video and add it to that place. So let me select one of the video. Now, if you see here, you can see we have added channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. It will make them to subscribe. Then featured videos for returning subscriber is going to show it to returning subscribers. So at any point in time, you can keep on changing each of these videos. Okay, then if you come down here, the next settings that you need to turn on is the for you section. So if you can read what is here, it is said YouTube recommend fresh content based on your viewers interest. Okay, you get that? This is only visible to your viewers when you have enough content. So when you have enough content, let's say you have 10 content, 10 videos, 5 videos, this for each session is going to make YouTube to recommend these videos, all your videos, to any viewer, that any person that visits your channel. They are going to recommend different videos at any point in time according to your interest. They are going to pick any each of your videos according to your new viewers interest. All right, so now we can go on again. Now tap on more settings, because we are going to do a little settings to that. So when you tap on this more setting, they are going to give you another option here. So here, what to include in the for you session. So these are the things you can include in your for you session. You can add only videos, content type. You can add short, live stream, anyone you want to pick, you can add that. But we are not going to select a specific video. So what I will advise you to do, if your own is if you can see, my own is on all content. So I'm telling you to recommend all my content. If you don't want them to recommend all your content, what you can select is recent content only. So they are going to recommend content you have posted in the last 12 months. But I don't advise you to do that. Always select all content. So mine is already on all content. All right, tap on done. Okay, so that is that. So that is the settings that you need to turn on your channel. When you have turned on these settings, what you will do now is to go up here. If you go up here, you will see this publish option. Make sure that you publish that option. So when you tap on that, the settings that you have just done now is going to be saved. I promise you, your videos are going to be getting views and recommendation by YouTube. If this video was helpful to you, do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let me know if you are an upcoming YouTuber. Let me know in the comment section. You can mention your channel, and I'm going to like your video. All right, and do well to like this video also. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.